Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional statements. First of all, what is control flow statements? The statements which changes the normal flow of execution is known as control flow statements. We have two types of control flow statements, like other languages, with some changes. Conditional statements and looping statements. These two will changes the normal flow of the execution. We will see conditional statements in this tutorial. Before going to the conditional statements, we will see what is condition. Let us take ideally and new file. What is condition? The condition is nothing but any expression which results Boolean is called as condition. So every condition is expression, but vice versa is not possible. See, for example, a equal to 3, b equal to 5, a plus b star 2. So this is one expression. What is the result? 13. Let us take another expression. A greater than b. What is the result? False. That is Boolean. So the first expression is not called as condition, but the second expression a greater than b is condition because it is giving Boolean. Next, we need to know one more word, that is block. The set of statements which follows same space indentation is called block. Indentation is nothing but space. In real-time applications, we have wide usage of if condition. It is popular statement in Python and also in any other language. We have three statements in conditionals, that is if else and elif. We will see one by one. First one is the if. What is the use of if? So if will do execution of some statements based on some particular condition. So if that condition satisfies, then only if condition statements will get executed. Otherwise, it will skip the execution of if block. Let us take, for example, one number is there. So we need to test whether the number is positive or negative. So in that case, we will use if condition. If condition works when condition is true. Let us take, for example, input 1 equal to int of input of input 1 is greater than 0, print number is positive. Okay, so this is a if statement. So the syntax of if is if condition and statements within the if block. If this condition is true, then only this block will get executed. Otherwise, it will skip the execution of this block. So here, this statement print number is positive follows some spacing. these spaces is called as indentation. This is called as block. Python follows modular programming, that is, we need to give same space indentation for particular block. Now print end of program. Here give print stop. Now save the file. Conditionals. Run this one. So here what we get, start, enter a number. So I am giving 5. See what is the result? 5. Number is positive. End of the program. Again I will run the program once again, but this time I will give -5. What is the result? So we get just end of program. So this is a if condition. So here -5 is less than the 0. Here the condition gets failed. It will skip the execution of the statement. Print number is positive. So this is a if. So here if works only when the condition is true. Right? So for this purpose we have another statement, that is else. This else should follow if or elif or for or while. Generally we will use else for if and elif. The syntax of the else is simply if followed by statements and then else, or we can use if statements, elif statements and then else. So now what is the use of if else? So it will work for both true and false. Let's see. So in the same example I am adding else conditionals. Else colon. Here I will give print number is negative. Okay, and also we will give equal to here in this case. So if input 1 is greater than or equal to 0, the condition becomes true, then this part will get executed. If this condition is false, this part will get executed. Now run the program. See now. So I have given -5. So for the same input in previous case there is no required output, but in if else condition, this case we get number is negative. Since this condition becomes false for -5, so it will go to else block and it will execute the number is negative. So this is a if else. If else works for both true and false. Next, we have another statement in conditional, that is elif. Elif should follow if or elif. We have statements like if condition, then statements, elif condition statements, and then elif condition statements, like this and so on. Let us take the same example. We have 2 conditions only here, but we need one more condition. If given input is 0, then we should display 0. So in that case what we will do? we need to use Elif. So I'm adding the Elif condition here. If a greater than 0, and then if condition input 1 is 0, then print 0. So now execute the program. First I will give 5. What is the output? Number is positive. Again I will run. Let us take -5. What is the output? Number is negative. Next. Again I will run. I am giving now 0. What is output? 0. So if this condition false, it will go to Elif. Even Elif also false, then it will go to else. This is a if, Elif and else statements in conditionals. We can use nested if also. Condition within the condition is called nested conditions. Practice these statements by taking your own examples. In this video we have seen if, elif and else statements. This is about conditionals. In next session we will see range function. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Meet you on next tutorial. If you have any queries, comment in comment section. For more Python tutorials, please subscribe to this channel.